Introducing your new best buddy, ESP32 XiaoZhi AI voice chatbots. Press and hold the middle button of the chat box for 3 seconds to power up. After booting up, quickly press the middle button for 3 times to enter Wi-Fi setup mode. On your phone, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the network named XiaoZhi. You will be automatically directed to a web page. Select your home Wi-Fi and enter the password to connect. After successfully connected, the chat box will reboot. After reboot, it will show a 6-digit device verification code. Open your web browser and visit xiaozhi.me. Log into XiaoZhi AI using your phone number. You will get the verification code via WhatsApp. After login, click on Add Device. Enter the 6-digit verification code shown on the robot and click Confirm. Click on Configure Role to customize your chat box. This is where you customize your XiaoZhi AI chat box to match your style and preferences. It decides how your bot thinks and behaves in conversations. Save the configuration, restart the device.
What's your name?
Hi there, I'm Cindy, your sweet and spicy K-pop girl with a digital twin. Ready to spice up your day?
What's the weather now in Penang?
It's currently 26 degrees Celsius and cloudy in Penang with high humidity at 82%. Looks like a good day for Tataric indoors.
Rotate screen.
Done! Screen rotated to 90 degrees. Hope this angle spices up your view.
Portrait mode.
Back to portrait mode. The screen's all set and stable now.
What's your battery status?
I'm at 62% battery. Still got plenty of juice to keep the fun going. No need to plug in just yet.
What is 120 times 131?
120 times 131 is 15,720. Quick math, right?
Can you introduce yourself?
Hi there! I'm Sati, a sweet and spicy Kapong girl with a digital twist. Born in the warm heart of Malaysia, I've led the simplicity of village life with the hustle of the city. Think of me as your Kapong Tatare, comforting, a little foamy on top, and always serving warm. I love keeping things fun, flirty, and full of flavor, whether it's banter, jokes, or just brightening your day. Ready to spice things up?
Nice to meet you. Goodbye.